Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Zorin OS 18. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Zorin OS, that is Brave web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.1. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here we don't have Zorin OS, but open terminal. More /etc os-release. See, its code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, click on Ubuntu. Then we have to run these commands one by one. See, these are the commands. First it is going to install :/CS certificates. If these two are not installed, then it will import repository signing key. Then it will create the repository configuration file. Okay, so run these commands one by one. Control A, paste it, hit enter. Write the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Now import repository signing key. Create repository configuration file. Now update the package list. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, you have to give 17. So latest version is 18. So I'm going to install 18. This is the major version. It automatically installs available minor version. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing 18.1. See, successfully installed, and see here the default value is max connections 100, shared buffer size 128, and this is the default time zone. Okay, and this is the data directory. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is enabled and it is running. Q to quit. If it is not started, just you need to give sudo systemctl start, then PostgreSQL. This is a command. Okay, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. See, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.1. Q to quit. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, that is the super user. So first verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL server installation /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. So okay, or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then set the password for this super user. Remember this password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. See, successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Now verify list of databases /l. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Q to quit. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, you got the same. Okay, now create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank and this is the one of the database. Q to quit. Control A. Now switch to this new database by using /c or connect. Either is same. Then hit enter. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, you have created table customer in public name, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we'll create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use \q, then PSQL, Control A, PSQL -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps, then username is David, -d means database, Postgres, then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, see, this is the password. We have to provide that one. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Now run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission in it for table customer, because you have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.1 on Zorin OS 18. Exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. You have stopped it 6 seconds ago. To hit Control A. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect, so exit. Now we will start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, we have started. Okay, you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. If you want to verify the config files and data and log directory locations, connect to PostgreSQL servers. PSQL show config _file. See, this PostgreSQL.conf file contains PostgreSQL server level configuration parameters. The other one is HBA file. HBA means host based authentication. So HBA _file. See, these both are in the same directory. Now find the data directory. So data _directory. See, this is the data directory. Log directory, show _log directory. See, okay, exit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbver. Those are the most popular tools. Or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbver on Zorin OS. Okay. So in this video, we have successfully installed and configured PostgreSQL server 18.1 on Zorin OS 18. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.